Hi, my name is Dr. Chance Eaton. I'm the Chief Learning Officer here at Big Skyway, and I want to welcome you to our Leading Business Certificate Program. So one of the challenges that we see when we work with organizations is there are leaders, and by leaders, they might be C-suite, they might be middle managers, they might be frontline managers, even high potential future leaders. The problem is they're subject matter experts, and because they're good at that, they continue to work up the hierarchy. They might have subject matter expertise in nursing or fabrication or marketing or legal or nursing. And that's great, but what they lack are those strong fundamentals in business basics. And there's a lot of potential for all the leaders in the organization that when they learn the statistical drivers of business value and just fundamentals in business, they have more tools at their disposal and it makes your teams more valuable. So in this program, we're going to be talking about 5 different core areas of business fundamentals. One is growth. All organizations have to grow. So we'll be talking about scaling, customer satisfaction, because that's correlated with business growth, a growing product or markets, and the risk associated with that. We'll talk about recurring revenue models. We'll also be learning about financials, learning how to interpret your financial statements, interpreting an accrual income statement versus a cash, balance sheets, cash flow statements. We'll talk about budgeting, cash flow budgeting, enterprise budgeting, decision making using break-even analysis, cost-benefit analysis. We'll talk about analysis with your ratios, taking your financials and clumping them together and seeing what it tells about your organization, and then metrics, KPIs, etc. We'll also be talking about marketing fundamentals, knowing your customer inside and out, the competitive landscape, getting very intimate with your product or service, pricing, promotion. We'll be talking about strategy. Where is our focus as an organization? Whether it's customer intimacy, operational excellence, product leader, because you can't be all 3, you've got to pick something. And how do you position yourself in the marketplace around what makes us unique and what do our customers really care about? And then the 5th, we'll be talking about operational efficiencies, org hierarchies, standard operating procedures, the new stuff we know about that, time management, excessive dependency on suppliers, customers, employees, customer service standards. So just a lot of good, solid business education for your leaders. I like to think of this as like a mini MBA. Now, so this is for all leaders in the organization. But if you are a small business owner or an experienced entrepreneur, we want you to go to the advanced option, right? You have a little bit different problems. And the biggest issue that small business owners have is they fall into the owner's trap. The business is too dependent on them and the business isn't sellable. So for those folks, you spend a little more time with me after each class and another session, and you're going to get more tools. We're going to shift the language so it's very applicable to your situation. But you're going to get a 1-year subscription to a strategy journal where we go through this stuff and you're going to be able to map different things out. We're going to value your business. We're going to look at what would you have to sell the business for based off your retirement needs. We're also going to run a 1 year's worth of financial statements and ratios for you. So a lot of extra bonuses for anyone that's a small business owner or an experienced entrepreneur. The point to all this is organizations will get better. There's more potential from your leadership team when they've got that good old-fashioned strong business acumen where they all have these different tools at their disposal and making for a smarter, more effective, better ROI kind of leadership team. So I hope I can see you at one of our future Leading Business Certificate programs. Thanks so much and have a great day.